Hello, morning, pagi. Hello. Hmm. Ooh, be careful. Ooh. All right. Hmm. Hmm. Well, let's. All right. You want to jump? No, no jumping. Don't jump. You should stay here. Jumping is not good for you because I will put you right here again. Sorry, but bed is not for you, bro. Your pet is not here. My mom will scold me if he like sleeping on my bed after all. But I always adore this little guy. Look at that. Mm, mhm, mhm. Oh, it got curious by uh, the sibling tail. What are you seeing? Are you looking at the camera? Handshake. Yep. Yeah, good boy. You want to jump? He always ready to jump. That's all for today. See you later.